Yes, Chris, you are ready? Yes, why not? Hello, ¿cómo estás? Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Hi, Merry Christmas, sir.
Merry Christmas. Yes, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. What you want?
Huh?
What you want?
Anything, sir?
Eating? Come, let's eat. There are so many food inside. Or come to my home, then we will eat together. You like biryani?
Sir?
Biryani?
Biryani, oh, yeah.
Yeah, he like biryani, right? Yeah. Yeah, there is a mandi. The mandi is non-spicy,
Spicy.
and the biryani is spicy. It can be less spicy. It can be more spicy.
Sir, I like chicken biryani.
Yeah, chicken biryani. Okay, that's good.
That's good.
You don't like beef biryani?
Anything?
But I'm
Ay, inatawali.
There's no actually.
Hindi pa kami English na hindi gamitin. Malipatan.
Yes, sir. We want biryani.
Yeah, I will make one day. Inshallah, I will invite you.
Okay, sir.
Okay, don't worry. Chris is very handsome today. He's very handsome today. Yeah, you are also.
I can
Yeah.
taste egg.
Hello, kamusta? You like biryani also, right? No? Beef biryani, mandi, must be? No. You like only boiled rice? Only white rice? Yeah.
Biryani.
Hello, kamusta?
Yung white rice.
I will just be back. I will catch these children. All right.
Yes, sir.
So today is the function over here in Flora's Integrated School for the Christmas. Hello, po, kamusta? Hello. Hi, Merry Christmas. So you are celebrating today, right? Yes, hello children. So we are celebrating. Yes, children, Merry Christmas.
Okay, next.
Yes, hello.
Have a nice day.
Thank you. Merry Christmas. Yes, thanks over here. Hello, po, kamusta? Fine, how about you? Good? take your photo also here. You wanna take photo? Afza, look here. Afza. All right. You are done. You will sit it. Hello. Yeah, high five or yeah, that's good. What did you get? Oh wow, okay. Okay. Good. What happened? You will open it? Okay. I will keep. Just sit down here. Sit down here. Wow, what she got? What's your gift? Abda, show me, what did you get? Wow, that's nice. Right? Okay, hold your chat. I will take the photo. Show me here. Abda, look at me here. Now look. Okay. Wow, what did you get? Okay, sit down here. What is it? Okay, that's good. You have a picture of the picture. All right, guys. Let's go, Hamza. Okay. What's your good name, brother?
Oh yeah, Arthur. Arthur.
Artho. Artho is a good man, right?
Arthur the Great.
So today is the last day of the school, and Merry Christmas to all of you guys,
Yes sir.
and Happy New Year. So when you are going to resume? When 2nd of January or 3rd of January?
Yes sir. January 4th.
January 4. All right. Okay. Wish you all the best. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. So Hamza, where are you? So they will resume on 4th of January. Right, Hamza? You want to say something over here? Keep it this one. So Hamza, she is too much tired. Right? All right.